two of this extra. So if you're using the floor, I mean the tile floors, you use this, because you can hardly use this for the wood floors because it might scratch, but you can use this one. And the instruction says, if you wash this and put this in the washing machine, because you can use this over and over, don't put the fabric softener, because I don't know why, but it says don't use, so don't put any fabric softener. Okay, or you can use by hand, or you... Okay guys, there is the powerful reusable pads, trap dirt and grime. So this is the floor police. Okay, here's the instruction. Read the instructions, and it's very easy. The instruction is very easy and very, very straightforward. Okay, there is the mop and the charger, and these are the attachment to that goes with the floor police. Two of this one, these are the pads. You can use this for the kitchen, and if the kitchen is very dirty, you can use this. And then for the wood floors, you can use this. Okay, you can use any of this, but I don't want to use this for my wood floor because I don't want it to scratch. I think this one I can use it. And plus, this is reusable. You can put in the washing machine. Just don't put any what is that, detergent, you know, strong detergent. Guys, so first of all, you have to read this first, right? Before you do anything else, you need to read the instructions and see. It's very easy. You have the charger, we have the mop, and the attachment. Like the attachment, you have two of this, and then two of this one. Okay, so I will show you after I charge this. It says charging the mop. You have to plug into the AC adapter, into the electrical outlet. When the red light onto the mop base indicates that the mop is in. So we have like 3 different attachments to this. So it's very easy. When you take it out, you put it together, and there is this. If you use the tiles, you use this. If you use the wood floors, you use this one. If you need some more cleaning, you use this one. So it's an attachment. They can take it out and then stick it in. So you can wash this one too. So we need to plug this in, charge it for 90 minutes before you use it, and then I will show you when it's done. Okay, here is the mop. This is the power mop, and then you just stick any of the attachment. See and then charge it for 90 minutes, and then it's ready to go. I'll show you in a little bit. Okay guys, when it's done, when you insert the attachment, you just turn it on and ready to go.